absolutely no way that we can relax and breathe and stretch if all we're thinking is my back, my back, my back, my back. How to sit comfortably on the floor for yoga class. I'm going to show you 2 ways plus a super special extra way on how to sit comfortably on the floor for yoga class. The first thing we want to do to sit comfortably is to lift our hips up off the floor. And the reason why is that if we sit like this, what happens to a lot of us is that our back starts to round and our hips start to ache. And there's absolutely no way that we can relax and breathe and stretch, which is what we're doing, what we're trying to do in a yoga class, if all we're thinking is my back, my back, my back, my back. So the solution, part 1, is to lift your hips up off the floor. And the way that we do that is by using 2 yoga blocks. We take 2 yoga blocks and we stack them right next to each other like we're making a little pedestal or seat. And then we sit on those 2 yoga blocks, and all of a sudden our hips are off the floor, our legs are cascading down, and there's less stress in our hips and more length in our back. But what do you do if this is still not comfortable for you? Like you're rounding your back and your hips are congested and there's no way you can stay here and stretch and breathe and relax. You elevate your seat even higher. You take 2 more yoga blocks, and you can also use a stool if you don't have 4 yoga blocks, and you elevate yourself up a little bit higher. And what that does is it gives your body more room to sit. Your legs have some space so they can cascade down. Your back is supported so you have more length. So this is usually a better solution if 2 yoga blocks is not enough. But I got one more super fabulous trick for you for sitting comfortably in yoga, and that is using a blanket. So let's say you're sitting on 2 yoga blocks, but absolutely this can also be done with 4 yoga blocks. And you're sitting here and your ankles and your shins and your calves feel a little bit congested. So it's still not comfortable for you. The solution, oh, I love this, is to use a blanket or a towel. You take your blanket and your towel and you snuggle, yep, that's a yoga word. You snuggle the blanket right underneath the shins here. And then all of a sudden, you feel more lifted. Super, super fabulous. It's the kind of thing that you don't even know how good it is until you actually try it. But when you're sitting on 2 yoga blocks and you have that blanket snuggled underneath your shins, all of a sudden, things are more comfortable. And that's the goal, for you to be able to sit comfortably on the floor. Those are 3 super fabulous ways to sit comfortably for yoga class. Give them a try. Let me know which one is your favorite. And remember, there are so many ways to elevate the way you practice yoga.